Are you fretting over your upcoming wedding budget? It's no secret that many couples will be spending significantly, sometimes breaking the bank for their weddings. Fret not, however. If you are considering a more affordable wedding, a DIY event is an option. This will suit couples who are especially adept with a hands-on approach. Using your imagination and creativity, the possibilities of fabulous things to make for your big day are pretty much unlimited. Should you choose to go DIY for your wedding, you will nonetheless need some essential handy tools to get the job done. From basics to more advanced tools, we bring you a list of the top 8 useful tools you might need to help bring your creativity to fruition for your big day. The basics first. If you are a handy couple, you will already have a number of basic tools around your home that are a starting point when you're planning a DIY wedding. 1. Scissors and an X-Acto knife. These are a household staple, and are definitely needed in most DIY projects, and so for your wedding. Whereas an X-Acto precision cutting knife may be less common, when making homemade invitations for example, it definitely will be helpful. Top tip. Remember to keep these as safe as possible as they're sharp and possibly dangerous. 2. Hot glue gun. This is an inexpensive DIY tool that's used for many household project. This is one of those handy ones that you need to have on hand alongside a bag of refill sticks as you start crafting. 3. Pencils, markers, and a ruler. We all can live with the fact that any crafting will require some measuring, tracing, and drafting. These are tools, therefore, that you'll need to have readily available before any crafting starts. Ensure you have some glue sticks at hand. Upping the notch. You have seen the basics, now here are some more craft supplies that will take it a notch higher, yet worth considering for your DIY wedding. 4. Glitter or adhesive jewels. Weddings are meant to be gorgeous and glam, so why not add a little bit of glitter or adhesive jewels to your DIY wedding? There are so many of these on the market that you can find it almost at every price point. Use these for things like invitations, place cards, or pieces of your bespoke decor you're creating for the big day.